Hi children, in this class we shall learn something regarding friction. What is friction? So in order to learn regarding friction, we shall see some examples, we shall see some activities. Through this we can learn the things. Roll a rubber ball on the ground. If you roll a rubber ball on the ground, what happens? What would you observe after few seconds? After few seconds, that rubber ball slows down and finally it stops. Okay, it stops after traveling a certain distance. Similarly, we take one more example. Ride a bicycle. When bicycle starts moving with good speed, you try to stop pedaling. Then what happens? After some time, the cycle slows down and finally at one point it stops. Right? What do we observe? Same thing we are going to observe in both the examples. So, the cause of both the things, only one, that force we call it as friction. So, what is friction now? It is the force which acts on the surfaces of contacts. Here there are two surfaces of contacts. One is ball surface and the ground, tire and the ground. These are the two surfaces in different scenario. When one body moves upon another body is called force of friction. A force which acts at the surface of contact when one body moves on another surface body. When one body moves on another body, there exists a force between these two bodies. That force makes the body to stop. That makes the body to slow down. That force we call it as frictional force or friction. Effects of force, effects of friction. What will be the effects of friction? When an object moves in contact with another object, the consequential force of friction can produce the following effects. Number one, friction opposes the motion. It will oppose the motion. It will restrict the motion. It will resist the motion. As situated above, the rubber ball stops on account of force of friction. As a matter of fact, the force of friction always acts in the direction opposite to the direction of applied force. It opposes the motion of a body and tries to stop the body. The first one is friction opposes the motion of a body. One more effect is friction produces heat. So this is the second effect of friction. First one opposes the motion. Second one is it produces heat. How? Take a 5 rupee coin and rub it one side with the table for 10 seconds. You try to rub that 10 seconds. Touch the rubbed side of the coin. Definitely you feel hot. Right? What do you observe? You feel hot. It is because the force of friction between the table and the coin changes into heat energy there. It is for the same reason that our palms get hot when rubbed against each other. So this is also thing. Similarly, cavemen produce fire by rubbing dry wooden sticks in wooden block. And this is the second one. We go for third example, third effect. Friction causes wear and tear. Tear ante chirigipovodam, wear ante arigipovodam. Okay, we are going to use slippers for a longer time so that they will wear off. Okay, see now. Try to compare the soles of your new shoe. This is the new shoe and this is the old shoe. So here there is wear off there. So worn out or wear off, worn out. Even tires, new one and old one. Old one will worn off. It is because when we walk, the material of the soles wears out due to friction. Rapidi valla arigipotu untayi annamata. Next thing, the friction. What is friction? It is a force that opposes the motion of an object between two surfaces. in contact. Friction arises only if there is contact force. In non-contact force, we cannot expect friction. We expect friction only in contact force. So normal force, applied force, friction will be at any time in opposite direction to the applied force. If the applied force is in this particular direction, the frictional force will be in opposite direction. And weight will be in downward direction due to acceleration due to gravity, and normal force will be in opposite direction. Okay, thank you children. We will meet in the next class.